Hello everyone, it's Zed here, and today we are going to do something a bit different. Today there's not going to be any more boring PPTs or any other thing. It is going to be about COVID 19. So today we are going to interview my parents Malak Anazli Khatib and Zahir Kazi. So, for the context, my mother and father tested positive for the novel coronavirus. So, yeah, let's head on into it. So for the first, I'm going to ask the questions to. Is my father, Qadi Sayyid Zahiruddin. He's a researcher. So
Yeah, thank you, Seth, for calling me, and it's really indeed my honor to be with you.
yeah, let's start with the questions if you are ready now.
Yeah, please.
Yeah. So our first question is: have your thoughts changed about COVID-19 from the first wave to second wave?
Yeah, as things are changing every day, and COVID is becoming more and more unpredictable. So definitely, yes, thoughts have changed, and to be honest, now with the second wave, I am quite serious about COVID.
So yeah, do you think other people are getting more serious or more lenient about it?
As time passes, people start becoming more lenient, but because of a lot of deaths taking place all around, and the way it has become more and more like getting infectious, and it's more faster than the first wave. In the first wave, only one or two family members were getting infected, but now a whole family is being seen is getting infected, and the
With more
way
severity.
with we can't say about severity. The data has not yet really come up, so we can't say about the severity, but definitely we can say about the infectious. They have become more infectious and faster.
Yeah. So were you scared when you got your test results?
No, of course not. I was not at all scared because I was well aware of that I may get positive
You were
results, and I'll be a COVID.
somewhat
Yeah,
sure that you were positive.
yeah, I was pretty sure.
So, do you think the government is taking the right measures?
We can't say that. This is so complex disease, and there are not sufficient number of right skilled people hanging around who can give right type of advices. So it is always difficult for the government to take the right measures. I'll not blame the government. I'll blame the right people who should be around the government.
That is a good response. I like it.
Yeah.
So now, as you may have recovered from COVID as you have,
Hmm.
do you think you can ignore the norms as you may now have the immunity?
I'm not saying I'm cured from COVID. This is an
For
unpredictable
now,
disease.
for now.
No. I can't say that because you never know that whether you have been recovered or not. Because I have not got tested myself after getting COVID, and I myself I have not done any investigations which let me know whether I have recovered or not. No, I don't think about that. But yeah, that's the story.
Yeah, so at the start of the pandemic, when India was the first case in South India, like in Kerala, there was first case in the hospital. I was freaking out. Government, they are in uh, complete isolation. And that was going on. So, did you think that you would catch it as well?
No, never. But you never know. But I was not that sure that I will get or not. Had not thought about it. But I thought it will not be as pandemic as it is now.
When at what time did you get worried that you
No,
are
I
going
never
to?
got worried. I never got worried.
So, like, yeah, so you never got worried.
No. Even after getting infected, when I went for the test, I was not worried. When I got tested positive, I was not worried.
So, what advice will you give for your close ones?
Yeah, you have to be brave, courageous, and
Positive.
be positive. You should not get the fun out of your life. Life never changes. It takes you up and
And down.
and down. But
There are ups and downs in life.
yeah, they are yeah, you are absolutely correct. But we never see the downfalls. We only see the how good the God has, the Almighty has given everything to us, and the family we enjoy, the togetherness we enjoy, the love we have for each other. that gives us a lot of energy, and that prevents us from getting any depressions, and we enjoy staying together. So
Oh yeah,
even staying at home
that.
doesn't affect us. It gives us more fun and more happiness and more peace.
Yeah, that last one about depression, about staying at home. Students are actually quite getting quite depressed. Some
Yeah,
of them. There are many like reports.
yeah.
Students are getting
Obviously, this
depressed.
is not the same world. Everybody has their own way of coping these things. But
Yeah, with
yeah.
students like especially from above seventh or eighth grade,
Hmm.
ninth grade,
Hmm.
they are getting depression. Like
Yeah, yeah,
in newspapers,
yeah,
in
yeah. So it's
web pages.
yeah. So it's quite obvious. Like the people may get depressed in such scenarios because they don't have those type of healthy relationship among themselves, or they don't have that mechanism. So that's okay.
What will you give advice to those?
Who get depressed?
Yeah, for the students
They have got an opportunity to learn so much, which
right
they
now,
yeah right now because
which
yeah.
they weren't able to.
Yeah, they
Like
were
for
having
me,
very structured teaching and structured learning, and very few way of doing innovation, so they have more capability, so definitely yes.
yeah, cool. Then thank you for coming to the our video. We
Yeah.
really appreciate it having you.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, thank you, Zed. It's very, very, very nice of you. We enjoyed your questions, and thank you very much.
So yeah, here we are with the next session. This time it is with my mom, Mahalaka Nazli Khatib.
Hi Zed, and thank you so much for inviting me over here. It's really a pleasure to be with you and share this platform with you. Thank you
Yeah,
so much.
thank you. So yeah, do you want to start now?
Yes, sure.
Yeah. So were you scared when you got your test results?
Yeah, I was a bit scared because I was afraid of the fact that I was worried that my other family members should not be infected because of me, because I was the first person to be
Get symptoms.
to get symptoms and to get the positive results. So that really made me scared. So
Yeah.
that was it. Yeah.
So you were a bit scared.
Yes, of course.
So yeah. So have your thoughts changed about COVID? I mean, from the first wave to the second wave.
Yes, definitely. My thoughts have changed a lot about between the two waves. In the first wave, it was less number of people were being affected, and the severity was also not that much. But with the second wave coming up, the severity has increased and the infectivity has also increased. So lots of people are getting affected. People around us and our relatives are being affected, and the severity has increased, and
So the virus has changed a lot.
the virus has changed, the virus is mutated. So definitely my thoughts have changed.
So yeah, do you think that the government is taking the right measures?
Yes, definitely. The government is taking the right measures, and they are trying out all possible measures. But there is still a lot to be done on the part of the government machinery. I mean, still on short-term basis, they should increase the provision of medicines,
Yeah, in
oxygen
availability of
supply,
oxygen. Yeah.
oxygen supply, and availability of beds. Then there should be
Entire the
more
medical
efforts.
aspects. Yeah.
More efforts are required on vaccination coverage, and they need to get themselves prepared for the third wave as well. And so also lots of misconceptions of COVID are still on, so they should try their best to educate or make awareness drives to educate the people, to make the people aware about the importance of social distancing and wearing masks and other um, protective strategies. And uh, so they are doing their best, but still lots of efforts needs to be.
So thing that you have like, I mean, put yourself in a place of a person who just recovered from COVID. You tested positive, negative now. So, would you think that you can ignore the norms as you may have immunity?
No, 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 definitely. I should not be ignoring the norms because I have been infected with one strain of virus. So I can be infected, reinfected again with another strain of the virus. So I should not be ignoring the norms. I am well aware of that, and I practice all the precautionary measures as well.
Oh, cool. So, do you want to say something for the users for this question?
For this question, even if they have been infected,
Yeah,
should they be?
yeah,
Yes, yes. I would like to say that even if somebody has been infected with the virus, we should not feel carefree that now we have an immunity, so we can roam about here and there. And it's not that way. The virus is continuously changing its forms, and lots of variants
yeah.
are coming in. So even if you have been infected with one variant, there are chances that they can be infected with other variants as well. So then they need to follow all the precautionary measures even while during COVID and after COVID.
Yeah, at the start of the pandemic, when India got its first case in South India, like there was chaos. First case home. So, did you think that? Do you think you would catch it someday as well?
No, no, never. I never thought that I would be infected with COVID when it first started. I mean, in December 2019, because lots of not pandemics but outbreaks have been there, like SARS virus, and then Ebola virus, plague, so and dengue outbreaks.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have been there, but they were not affecting
As
like
lead.
in such a large number, and I mean in this way. So it we felt like this has started, and after a few months or so this would go off.
But it hasn't.
But now it's more than a year, but still we are in a
the
worse
same-
situation
yeah,
than
worse.
that.
So, at what time did you start to get worried?
When I got started worried, when people around me started getting infected. So when people are around in a college and family members started getting infected, and there were few mortality also amongst the people whom we knew. It was then that we really got scared, got
So,
worried. Huh?
what advice should you give for your close ones?
Closed ones advice, okay. That they should follow all the precautionary measures, wear masks, and follow social distancing, get vaccinated, and maintain social distancing, and to have a positive attitude. Even if they get infected with the COVID, they should maintain their morale and have a positive approach, because this is a disease that is affecting it can be, I mean, if you have a strong mind, then you can get over the disease. So you have to be positive all throughout, and
positive mindset.
Yeah, positive mindset, and of course, and in such times we should also try to help each other. We should stay united. If there are people around you, they should not have they should not stay. They should do their best to help them out, help each other.
Cool. So, would you like to say an outro for the viewers from yourself?
Yeah, that I would just I would like to say that they should follow all the norms and precautionary measures. We should try to help each other. These are the tough times for us, and if we stay together and united, then we can get over these difficult times. And again, there would be a day when we would be corona free. So we should wait for that day and have a positive approach.
Yeah. Thank you for helping us, for letting us have you interviewed.
Thank you so much for inviting me, Zaid. I enjoyed this interview a lot.
Thank you everyone for watching the first part of this series. The next series we are going to be interviewing you, the audience, and my Basit Enterprising Cousins and my best friend Ekansh Tyagi. So you would want to stick around for that. Thank you. Please make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.